Now let's talk about some of the ligaments, which help in gluing the carpal bones together and are helpful in the production of movement at the wrist joint. But first, we will have a slight understanding of the articulating surfaces of the wrist. The articulation between the proximal row of carpals and radius is the radiocarpal joint. The articulation between the carpals are intercarpal joints, and the articulation between the distal row and phalanges is the carpometacarpal joint. Now we will have a better understanding of the ligaments. Together we have three groups of ligaments. Let's discover them. So first we have the ligaments of the wrist, which joins the ulna and radius with the carpal bones as shown in blue. As this group comprises of the ulnar and radial collateral ligaments, the palmar and dorsal radiocarpal ligaments, and the palmar ulnocarpal ligament. The radial collateral ligament attaches to the lateral surface of the scaphoid bone. Secondly, we have the intercarpal articulations, meaning it joins the carpal bones with one another, which is shown in red. These include the radiate carpal ligament, the dorsal, palmar, and interosseous intercarpal ligaments, and the pistohamate ligament. Now the last group of the ligaments are the ligaments of the carpometacarpal articulations, uniting the carpals with the metacarpal bones as shown in green. They are generally two in number, which are the pisiform ligament and the palmar and dorsal carpometacarpal ligaments.